IMBA-CAT5 snagless molded patch cable gold-plated. High-quality 50-micron gold-plated contacts to ensure clear data transmission, full FCC Part 68 compliance. Molded strain relief ensures a more secure connection, keeps cable within Cat5 bending radius. Snagless-type moldings. Provides fastest and most reliable internet connection. Support great bandwidth. Ensure clear data transmission. Molded strain relief ensures a more secure connection. Keeps cable within Cat5 bending radius. All of our cables use gold-plated connectors as well as pure copper wiring to increase connectivity quality and to prevent corrosion. Our cables only use the best materials to ensure a top-notch connection. iMBAPrice Cat5 cables are equipped with snagless design for easier unplugging. High-quality 50-micron gold-plated contacts to ensure clear data transmission. Full FCC Part 68 compliance. Ethernet network cable connects between Ethernet and network devices. Meets or exceeds Cat5 specification. Molded strain relief. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent price, professional construction, fast delivery. I ordered these 2 days ago and received them today, Winnipeg, MB. Super fast delivery. The selection of different colors and cable lengths are impressive. I ordered a X10-piece pack, blue, 3-foot Cat5e. The construction is professional with high-quality RJ45N construction. The ends have a protective boot cover that covers the clip which prevents accidental release. I was very pleased and ordered another X10 pack. Will definitely recommend this company for your network cabling needs. Cables can be purchased in different colors, lengths, individually or in kits of multiple quantities.